Hello, let me show you all health features that you can find on Redmi Watch 5 Active. So I will show you how it looks on the phone because everything is bigger. So we can find here heart rate monitoring with all day heart rate monitoring with low and the high resting heart rate alerts. We can measure sleep with heart rate and we can track REM sleep stage. We can track our nighttime breathing. We can check blood oxygen level. We can track all day blood oxygen level. And we can even turn on low blood oxygen alerts between 90% and 80%. We can also measure stress level. We can also measure stress level for the whole day. And we can get the relax reminder. In this place we can get the standing reminder. We can find some base stats like calories, steps, time moving, and we can find vitality score settings. So we can find 7-day progress, daily progress, and also on this device we can find cycle tracking, which is, wait a minute, should be located here. Yeah, there we go. This is the cycle tracking, and this is like all health features that you can find on this phone. Thanks for watching.